Please rotate your phone. Open Lightroom. Add photo gallery. Don't skip this video. Adjust color. Open color mix. Adjust yellow color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust green color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust blue color. Adjust saturation. Adjust violet color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust orange color. Adjust saturation. Adjust luminous. Click to done. Adjust color grading. Adjust luminous. Adjust blending. Adjust balance. Click to done. Adjust temperature. Adjust tint. Adjust vibrance. Adjust saturation. Open effects. Adjust texture. Adjust clarity. Adjust days. Adjust vignette. Adjust midpoint. Adjust feather. Adjust highlights. Download preset in description. Export image. Please like me. Please subscribe my channel.